Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you are fine. I am also fine by the grace of Allah. I think you are following the rules of health and you are utilizing your time properly. Anyway, dear student, today our topic is flow chart. The flow chart is taken from Unit 8, Lesson 4. The title of the lesson is Amerigo, a street child. Dear student, for your better understanding, I at first like to give a briefing about the topic. Then I will start writing flowchart. You, dear student, you know that Amerigo is a boy of 13. He is an orphan boy. He is separated from his father and mother. His mother is also get married to another man. Now Amerigo has no permanent house. He lives on street and he is now a street child. Once he used to collect trash and sell it to a vendor, and then he sold ice cream for a ice cream owner, and for this work he only got a little, and some of his friends were also working in factory, and one of his friends were killed to collect while he was collecting waste or garbage from a dump. The America's work is very difficult because he had to work a long time, mentionably 10 to 12 hours a day, but he get very little in return. Sometimes he had to starve for want of food, and he cannot take food 3 times. But Amerigo thinks that he is lucky because he is alive. One of his friends was killed while he was collecting trash from a dump, and a street boy like Amerigo, police show, and one of his friend also worked in factory and lost one of his eyes because a one pitch of glass flew into his eyes, and in this way he lost his eyes, but the factory owner refused to pay the medical cost, and conversely he fired him. In this way, street children's life is very difficult, pathetic. Amerigo is a street child, so his life is also very pathetic and troublesome. Now, my dear student, you have got a brief about Amerigo's life. Now I will show you how to write flowchart. At first, I will show you how the question is set. Based on your reading of the passage, make short note. In each of the boxes, flowchart. Showing the distress of Amerigo. Dear student, at first you have to understand how the instruction, how the question is said and what is to do. Follow me, I am just going through the question for your easy understanding based on your reading of the passage. Make short note. Here you should focus the point. Make short note in each of the boxes in the flowchart showing the distance of a merry-go. Dear student, you should catch the word showing. What is to be done is directed after the word showing the distance of a merry-go. Number 1 has been done for you. Here in this way there will be 6 boxes. One answer will be written in number 1 box and there will be 5 other boxes like that. Dear students, there will be 6 boxes and each box, first box there will be an answer and you have to write answer in all other boxes. Of course you have to write the first answer here. Now I am showing you how to write answer although the box are given in forwards, rightwards, but answer should be written in downwards, then it look very nice. You can give a starting introductory sentence like the flowchart Dear student, this sentence is not obligatory, you can write it. First answer should be copied from the question. You should just copy the first answer like living on street. Dear student, keep notice, I have just copied the answer from the question paper and then you should another box. All the box should be of same length and you should write figure. Being separated from parents Dear student, my board is short so I can't show you all the answers in downwards, but you should write all the short note downwards. Working hard, getting no or little money having three meals a day. I'm telling you again that you should write all the answer downwards, not rightwards or side by side. Number 6 and the last one remaining. Hungry. Always. Dear student, now I'm telling you some points which you must remember while writing the flowchart. First point is that you should draw the box using pencil and scale. All the box should be of same length, then it will be nice. And you should write figure 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And first answer in the first box will be written in the question paper. Yet you have to copy it from the question. And then you should follow the first one as your clue answer. Like this is a verb and there is an ing at the end of the verb. So you should try to start all the answer, all the verb having ing. Try to maintain it. You are not bound to maintain it, but you should try to maintain it. You should try your utmost. I am telling it again. First verb is in ing form, so second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth verb should be in ing form, and then you should write several by a few words. Just all the answer in the box can make clear sense. And next point, you must write within the box. Your writing should not exceed the box or out of box. Full sentence. We are discouraging you to write full sentence or long sentence. You should write part of sentence or using phrase or single word. Even you can write in a single word, but you should not write too long sentence. You can write full sentence, but they should be short ones. And you should omit to be verb, like am, is, are, was, were. But if the answer is in passive sense, then you should write to be verb. And you should omit subject. Here you just show the answer. Here Amerigo is absent in each answer. The passage is about Amerigo, but in answer there is no mention of Amerigo. Amerigo is subject of the passage, so we should omit subject. But next, try to follow the answer given in box 1. I mentioned it earlier. And last thing that while writing the last box, then you should write at the end of your answer while you have finished writing your answer, then you should write figure flowchart just below the 6 box. You should write figure and flowchart. Yes, another thing, you should remember that you should write all the whole answer within a single page. You should not exceed one page to write the answer. Dear student, now I will show you how we should make short note from sentence. Number 1. Very good. Worked for a ice cream shop. And sold ice cream on the beach. Yes, students, suppose this is a sentence given in a passage. As per the direction, you should try to find some short note, some information from the. It is a sentence. It is a long sentence. You should try to find a short note as per the direction. Suppose how you can make flowchart from the sentence. Suppose a very good work for an ice cream shop and sold ice cream on the beach. You can write working for an ice cream shop. It is a most used way. It is the most most popular way of writing short note, having ing with the verb, or you can write in this way. What for an ice cream shop. You should follow any form. Either you should follow past form or you should follow present participle form. And we add ing with a verb, then it becomes participle, present participle. You can follow this way, or you can follow that way, or even you can follow another way. Who are for an ice cream shop. One way, another way, and another way. You can follow any way as per the answer short note given in box 1. Next. A very good mother who is separated from his father does not want him. It is a sentence. You can take it a sentence of a passage. How now I am showing you how you can write short note from the sentence. First, a very good mother who is separated from his father does not want. Now I am showing you how you can write using noun. Separated, you can write a figure, separation from his parents. Dear student, we can write all answer with noun. This is a noun. I have taken the noun from the word heart given in the sentence. So you can also write answer, just you can make the word noun from verb or from adjective. Next, another way. Elephant born on 12 June 1929 was given a diary at the age of 30. Elephant is a girl who was born on 12 June 1929 and she was given a diary at the age of 30. Now I am showing you how you can prepare short note from the sentence. You can write figure was born on 12 June 1929. Dear student, you should notice that I am always skipping or omitting subject of the sentence. I am always omitting, skipping subject of the sentence. This is a passive sense, so you should write to be like am, is, are, was, where, or another, or we can make another point from this like that. Was given a diary at 30. Okay, dear student, I think you have a general idea. You have got a general idea how to prepare short note from a long sentence. Now I am showing you most important thing. I mean grammar to write flowchart. What grammar you can follow to write flowchart? Number one step, using present participle. Present verb plus ing equal to present participle. This is a most common way of writing, common technique of writing flowchart like this. Living. This is a verb. We can add ing of the verb living on street. Just you can put it in a box. Then in this way we can make it short note, make flowchart. And next step 2. So it's a present participle. It's a very common way of writing flowchart. Next step 2. Using infinitive. Using infinitive. I think you know the structure of infinitive. 2 plus verb, base form of verb. 2 plus base form of verb is infinitive. So we can write answer in this way. To be on street. Next steps 3. Past form of verb, using past form. Past form of verb like Remain hungry. Remain hungry. Next step 4. You can use noun. Using noun form. Using noun form. Only single word. Noun. Courage. A single word should be a short note of a box like courage. And step 5, adjective. You can use a single word, single adjective to make short note like courageous. It is an adjective. It is an adjective of the word courage and it's a noun of the word courageous. And step 6, combination of adjective and noun. We can say adjective plus noun. Physical, maturation. This is an adjective, this is a noun. So dear student, I have shown you several grammatical steps to write flowchart. Now dear student, I am summarizing my class. The topic I have shown you taken from English for today and it's unit 8 lesson 4. The title of the topic was Amerigo, a street child. The question will be set from scene basis 2, question noun 2, marks 10, and next what you should remember several points to write flowchart. Like you should write in each of the flowchart in the box. You should draw 6 box, and you should write all the box in a single page. And you should draw the box using pencil and scale, and all the box length of all the box should be same. And you should not write the answer in long sentence, even in full sentence, but if needed you can write full sentence. And you should try to omit to be verb like am, is, are, was, were. But if you write subject, in this case you can add to be verb, or you can write full sentence. And if the short note is given in passive sense, then you should write to be verb. I have shown you several answers in the board, and I have also shown you some grammatical points why you should write short note. Like in step 1, I have shown you present participle, past participle, infinitive, past form of verb. And you can also write answer using single word like noun. You can also write answers using adjective, and you should write answer combination of noun and noun, adjective and adjective. So dear student, we are very end of my class. Hope you have enjoyed my class. I also feel well because I have present a class before you. Dear student, our college, all the institution, particular education institutions remain closed for a long time. So our government directed us to take that class on online. So as an intelligent boy, smart boy of the present days, or smart girl of the present days, you should attend our classes, encourage us by attending classes, and you should not miss our class. Again, we will meet you on next Saturday with a new topic. Stay fine, be health conscious. Thank you very much.